$17,000 worth of credit card with no credit history, no problem, and you can get pre-approved for this with no credit check at all. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I'll give you the step-by-step guide on how you can get this high limit $17,000 worth of credit card even if you have no credit history, bad credit, poor credit, or even worse credit. Remember, this is a very important card for anyone who's looking to start their credit journey. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit line with no credit check at all, and you can get it even if you have worst or bad credit. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it, and make sure you smash the like button on this video as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's start, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So here is the big opportunity, and I never thought that I will actually review a Discover card, but this one is amazing because right here they say earn rewards and build a credit history, and there is no annual fee, no credit score required to apply. This is an amazing opportunity for anyone who's looking to get credit cards. Means something that you've been waiting for. But one thing that you need to remember, you might not get that high credit limit right away, but if you use this card responsibly, you can actually get approved for even higher than 17,000 because I got approved for it. And this is an amazing opportunity. This is known as Discover Student Cashback Card, but it's just not for students. You can apply it anytime. I want to show you something. Let me go back, and according to them, you can actually get a Discover credit card with no credit score required to apply, and see if you're pre-approved with no harm to your credit score. Means they will only do a soft credit pull. This is amazing, and I love the credit products, even the loans and the credit lines and credit cards with no credit impact. Because remember, a number of people are struggling with a bad credit or worse credit, or people are buying house, so they're in the process of it, they don't want any hard inquiry on their credit. Or even if you have bad, worst, or even excellent credit, you want to know that you are pre-approved for this card, and when you actually apply for this card, you will get this card or not. This is an amazing thing that I love about these credit institutions. Personally, when it comes to me, Discover, I personally had a better experience with them, but when it comes to Discover, this card is indeed something that I can recommend. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment purpose only. This is what we have to say, so make sure that you have to do your own research before you apply for any of the credit products actually reviewed on any of the channels on YouTube or any other social media, even on mainstream media, by the way. So what they say exactly: Discover a student cashback card, earn rewards, and build a credit history. This is amazing because they report to all 3 credit bureaus, and then they say apply and choose a design. I'll actually go into it in just a bit, but I love about this card that there is no annual fee, and this is something that I really admire because I prefer having no credit fee, no annual fee, and the reason is simple. Because paying the credit card fee is something like they're paying a subscription, and let's say if you don't use the service at all, then there's no sense to use it. Yes, American Express and Chase, Sapphire, and there's other big credit cards which actually make sense when you pay the annual fee. But one thing that you need to understand, that those cards are only good for you if you travel a lot. So if you don't, then please don't go towards that route, because this is a painful route and I personally experienced it. So no credit score required to apply. This is something. They say Discover Student Cashback card reviews. Well, they have 5-star reviews, which is great, and they say that you can actually get 5% cashback. If you remember that just previously I uploaded a video, it was a one-pay card. They also give 5% cashback, but only at Walmart, while this one actually gives 5% cashback on everyday purchase at different places you shop each quarter, like grocery stores, restaurant, gas. But there's a limit to it. I'll go into the details in just a minute, but 5% everywhere, it's an amazing opportunity. Then unlimited cashback match, got unlimited dollar for dollar match for all the cashback you earn at the end of your first year. Automatically, there is no limit how much we'll match, so you could turn $50 cashback to $100. This is amazing. Or you can actually turn $100 cashback to $200, or you can actually change $1,000 to $2,000. We'll see. I've never experienced it personally, but if you do, let me know in the comments below. They also say that $0 fraud liability. This is amazing. You're never responsible for unauthorized purchases in our Discover card. I personally experienced it. I went to the gas station and I used my card, and like, I don't know what happened. Then I came back home and I saw that there was a $320 worth of charge. I called Discover, and then they of course just gave me that credit back right away, and they said there will be investigation, and nothing happened afterwards. So where you can get this 5% cash back today: gas stations, EV charging, public transit, utilities. Means you can actually pay your utilities, like with your energy bill, or probably anything like your EV charging or anything, or even if you have water bill, gas bill, you can do that. And this is amazing. You can get 5% back. Let's say, like, if you have $100 bill, then you're gonna get $5 back. Or if you're a billionaire or millionaire and you have like a $10,000 bill, so you're gonna get $500. That's an amazing opportunity. Apologies for that nonsense joke right here. Earn 5% cashback bonus at gas stations, EV and charging, public transit, and utilities now at September 30th on your $1,500 in purchases when you activate. This is amazing. And so deadline is like September 30th, so you can apply as soon as possible. Earn 5% cashback bonus at Amazon.com and drugstores. This is amazing if you want to do it, but it ends on December the 31st, so you have plenty of time. You can just buy the Christmas gifts or New Year's gift with it. So this is amazing. So one thing that we can do right here, let's click on apply. I'm also going to paste the link in the video's description. It's really easy to do that. So right here they ask for your first name, your last name, your home address, your date of birth. Not a student, click here. You can actually simply click here, and then you can just see that either you're a student or self-employed, you can still get approved for it. So you are a college student, whether you have job or not. Select college student. It doesn't matter. Like, if you select college student, who cares? So years in college, you can actually tell them whatever you want: monthly, housing, rent, or payment. You can actually put whatever your rent payment is, your total gross income, your email address, and then of course click I agree to terms and submit. And that's how they will actually pre-qualify, or actually not pre-qualify, they'll actually pre-approve you for this card, which is an amazing opportunity. And they have some hefty APR from 17.24 to 26.24. Credit cards always comes with hefty APR, so you need to keep this in mind. This is very important. As I mentioned earlier, this is a step-by-step guide, so I wanted to tell you about it in detail so you know that what you're getting into. Remember, these are all credit products. I'm not a financial advisor, but I want to give you a great opportunity, because I'm going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit line with no credit check, and you can get it even if you have bad or worse credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to please smash the like button on this video if you appreciate our content, because it helps the video and the channel as well. We upload videos every single day for you on Credit Oaks channel, so make sure you become a part today to know everything that what's going on when it comes to the financial products and the things that you need with no credit check, bad credit, worse credit, or no credit history. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.